We're behind the scenes at an event.
I'm just gonna kind of show you what's happening. So Monica's getting things ready for the tray pass. Kenny's getting melon and everything ready for a watermelon salad, chili yellow melon. This is gonna be there where we plate up all of the formal dinner. Then this is our outdoor kitchen, which is getting all set up. This is where I'll be grilling citrus skirt steak and lamb chops. We'll show you those in a bit. This is more service stuff. This is behind the grass. We've got all our convection and our fridge out here. So this is where I'll be working and grilling. You won't see me. Come back this way. Boom. This is where the dinner's gonna happen. We've got multi-levels of entertainment and cigar bars and cocktail bars and so this will be magic very soon. We have all the platters and shit like that. I'll go over all those things. We already know what the platter, the layout, the ramekin. Great. So I'm gonna address this, and then we'll adjust that. Go ahead and take the fish. Go ahead and do the fish thing.
For you guys.
I'm talking about the fish now, so let's just talk about it. So the salmon is a citrus salmon. It has ponzu, grapefruit, and avocado. Okay. Got the lamb and the stone fruit chutney. Okay. No. Gold, right? Because it's good as gold, just like the gal from Vanderpump Rules. Okay, so mac and cheese, We've got the lamb and the stone fruit chutney. Okay, that has a bunch of shit in it. If someone, this will be the fire roasted gazpacho, because the cucumber's raw and some of the other shit. These are chips that we did with avocado oil, so they're not Frito-Lay. Homemade chips, but you don't have to say that. You can just say they don't care. And then we'll have the ceviche that has all the shit in it, like pineapple, reposado, blah, blah, blah. It is black cod. These are Greek-style lamb chops that have done a 48-hour marinade in cumin and olive oil and all kinds of other shit. Yeah, we're good, right, Monica? We're good on timing and everything?
Totally.
I don't need to be stressed.
No.
Everyone's.
All that stuff is done, so we're ready to go.
Yes.
So,